And Jones, what this video is about, I'm gonna make a casserole, my own special casserole. I've looked at a bunch of different casseroles on the internet and I can't find one like the one I want to make. What I want to do is some chicken, macaroni and cheese casserole, and that's what this is gonna be. I'm boiling my chicken now, you can see. So I ain't gonna take you through all that. As soon as I get my chicken done and peeled and boil my macaroni, I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, I got my chicken out. I'm gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna debone it, pick it all off the bones. And while this is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and put my elbow macaroni into my chicken pot that I just boiled that chicken in, and get the macaroni going. Or elbow macaroni noodles. Yeah. Make these boxes where you can't hardly get in them anymore. There should be enough oil in here off of these chickens, off of these chicken legs to well, I don't have to put no more oil in there to keep the macaroni from sticking. You just put the whole thing in there. And start giving it a stir where it don't clump in the bottom. I may have to put some more water in there, I don't know. I'm not going to right yet. What I will do, since I salted that water earlier, I'll go ahead and put some black pepper in there. So it's probably going to eat it up. Hadn't put no pepper on the chicken yet, but I did salt the water earlier. Now I'll pepper the water. And stir it up again. Oh yeah, it's sticking to the bottom. I might have to put some more oil in there. Shouldn't though. I probably need to go turn that TV off in the bedroom, because I can hear it. I don't know if y'all can or not. Let me go ahead and do that. Be right back. Oh man. Got one starting to cool down while nothing's heating up. Killing two birds with one stone. And I got my 9x13 sitting right here behind me. Getting it ready. I need to dig out some more ingredients. So with chicken, I'm gonna use cream of chicken. Soup. No wait, no, I want to save my cream of chicken. I'm gonna use cream of mushroom soup in this, just to give it a different flavor. Because my breakfast casseroles is what I use my cream of chicken in, so I don't want to waste that. I got my chicken deboned. I got my macaroni noodles done. So I'm going to pour this chicken back in the pot, the way I can heat everything up together and get it all even. And then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Put it in the pan. Just stir this up real good where everything gets hot. Now where everything cooks even in the other pan. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Macaroni noodles, macaroni elbows, and chicken. So far, I'm heating up my cream of mushroom soup in the hot water now. The way to come out right. Go watch my other videos, you'll see where I've done that before. So, I'm thinking about doing some stuffing mixed in with it if I got enough room. Or some crackers on the top, something to thicken, excuse me, something to thicken the top crust up this time. Yeah, it's taking a minute for me to get this soup, cream of chicken soup, no, cream of mushroom soup, my bad. I keep saying cream of chicken, but it's cream of mushroom soup that I'm putting in this one. Oh Lordy. Then again, I might top it off with saltine crackers. I'm still debating. I'm making this casserole as I go. So if it's any good, I'll write the recipe down. If not, I'll have to watch the video back to see how I did it. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Usually everything I cook is pretty good. Not tooting my own horn. Or not meaning to toot my own horn. That's what it sounds like though, don't it? I'm going to go ahead and salt this some more. Because I didn't put enough salt in there, I don't believe. Give it a real good stir now and get all that salt mixed up in there. I already peppered that water and it's still in the all that noodles soaked up that black pepper water, so that'll be alright, that'll be good. I'll put some garlic pepper, not garlic pepper, if I can find it. Got so much stuff up here. Garlic salt, no. Garlic powder. I'll go ahead and put a little bit of that in there and stir it up. It's smelling good. It's fresh garlic powder. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room for. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room for the cornbread stuffing to go in it. Especially after I put the cream of mushroom soup in there and cheese and stuff. I'm not going to add the cheese until I get it in this one pan though. That way I don't cheesy up two pans, because you know how hard cheese is to get off the pans. What I am going to do is go ahead and spray some Pam in the bottom of my pan here before I put anything in it. Make for an easier cleanup. There we go. Whew, got the whole kitchen steam smoked up with it. Okay. I guess we can go ahead and I'm gonna do a dab of some sour cream too. We'll go ahead and mix it in the pot over here. Got some sour cream. Gonna mix it in the pot here and go ahead and get it stirred up while it's hot. Oh, turn the oven on 350. Go ahead and get that thing going. I about forgot about that. There we go. While that's heating up, I'll get everything else mixed up. And it's about a half a cup, maybe a cup of sour cream. Get everything pushed down there. All that's going to stir right in. There we go. That's empty. Let me get that stirred in real quick. Dinner bell. It's getting everywhere. Charlie's even in there hollering for something. Y'all hear Charlie dog? I do. Alright. This is still hot enough it's going to melt my cheese once I put it in there. I think I got way too much. We're going to find out. Let me go ahead and start dipping this in. I don't want to just dump it. But I think we got way too much for this pan. But we'll see. A little clump there, I had to stir that up. Yeah, that pan's getting full quick. I think I'm gonna have a little extra left over in this pot. I may have to do another little small one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I am. Because I still got to add the other stuff. Let me just stop there. So I still got a whole lot in here. I'll only do 2 of them. Oh, where's my other little pan? Where's my little bitty pans? There's one. There's supposed to be another small one somewhere. That's only one little pan. Where's my other one? I don't know, unless somebody put it in the wrong spot. Yep, they did. It don't go over there. Let me go ahead and spray this one. We're going to be doing 2 instead of 1, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Let's catch up with this one on that one before it gets too cool. I want them both about the same. Yeah, we're gonna have plenty for tomorrow night too, for cards and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna pour the rest of that in there. All right. Let me dip a little bit out of this one. Not much. There we go. Should be good. We'll get our cheese and get it mixed. No, not the cheese yet. Well, yeah, we better do the cheese first before it gets too cool. Okay. Got some shredded cheddar. We can pour all this rest of this bag in here. Get it stirred up. I'll pour this bag in here because I got plenty of shredded cheese. A little rat got into this one. I hadn't had it open yet, but somebody got in it and they in the whole bag, so I had to go get some more. All right, let me get all this stirred up in there. We'll probably need some more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need some more cheese. Most definitely. I like everything sticking together real good. May have to heat this back up before I add the other stuff. I don't know. It's going okay. Let's get some more cheese. Another bag of sharp cheddar. Sharp cheddar. I like plenty of cheese in my macaroni and any casseroles I do. I like plenty of cheese. It's just getting so expensive at the store. And this is cold too. It's been in the fridge, so it's gonna cool it down a good bit. You just dump it. There's another whole bag. What time? It's probably about, well, it's 4:45. Nobody ever shows up around here till after I get done cooking usually. But that's a good thing, especially when I'm videoing. I mean, a lot of times I don't video, just get it done. And Charlie, I wasn't gonna put that back in there. That's pretty good. Just with this here. And I hadn't even got the oh yeah, that's good. That's gonna be great. And I hadn't even got the mushroom soup in there yet. Now we'll get that in there. Yeah, it should be warm enough. Yep, the label's spilling right off the can. So that's good. That should be warm enough. I have to end up using 2 cans instead of 1. But I just dumped that water out. And here comes my daughter and the grandbabies in, so maybe I can stop them from making too much noise before they come in. Yep, I heard them. This is tasting good and it's looking good. That didn't heat up like I wanted it to, but it'll be alright. We'll get it. We'll get it. Rest this out of there. I don't waste nothing. Get every little morsel. Every little morsel. Okay. Get this stirred in. Flatten it out and stir it in even. It's done starting to cool way down. And my oven just got the temperature. That's perfect. Boy, pick that tag in. That is looking good, y'all. Get it flattened out when I can do my topping. Still ain't decided which topping I'm gonna do yet, but we'll get it. We will get it. Get all this here stuff stirred in a little bit. Yeah, it's cooling way down. Look at that cheese all through there. Oh my goodness. Let's just get it done. Is that looking good? Boy, I tell you what. Now, figure out what kind of crust I'm gonna put on it. 'Cause I really want a good crust on it. I'm gonna put some more cheese on the top too to make the crust stick. Alright, let me stick that down there for a second. Get this out. Well, making all kind of racket over here. Got me another glass for my collection. Okay. Do I want to do stuffing or cracker crumbs? Let's do let's do cracker crumbs. I think that'll turn out a little better. These regular old saltine crackers. Get them all crushed up. Oh, I almost messed up. Said I was gonna put some more cheese on the top first for it to stick better. And I will. Okay, get the other bag of cheese out. The last bag, I still got a block, but I ain't using the block yet. I got it for something else. Well, this don't even show you where to open it at. I'm just blind. Yeah, I can't open it. Let me see. Get a knife. There we go. We got that Mohegan. Alright, my oven's on 350. Put some more cheese on the top, thicken it up a little bit. Like I said, I looked all over the internet trying to find one like this, but I can't find one, so that's why I decided to make this one. Because I had it in my mind, and I was going to see if anybody else had one on there. If they don't, that I could find, so this will be a first. So if y'all want a different casserole, this is a different casserole than you can find anywhere else. My dang phone gotta go off while I'm videoing. Anyway, I forget where I was. Oh, like I said, you won't see another video like this one that I could find on YouTube and stuff. So now we're gonna put these cracker crumbs on top of that cheese. And just let it all melt together. See how she does. Let's put it on the little one first. That way I'll know if I need to get another one or not. Yeah, I need to crunch them up a little finer though. Uh-oh, they're coming out the bottom. I busted the bottom. Maybe alright, let's come out the bottom. I'm just gonna layer and layer. Put it on top of that cheese melt down in that cheese. Maybe. We'll figure it out if it's any good or not. That'll add a little salt to it too if I didn't put enough salt in it, which I think I did. Maybe I need to sprinkle some butter on the top of this to soak it in a little bit to get a little more flavor. But I think it's got plenty of flavor. Alright, now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes just to get everything hot again because everything done cooled off. And I'll bring you back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is the finished product right here. And we're going to do a taste test here in a little bit. Let it cool off a little while and we'll be back to you. I'm fixing to try this. It should have cooled down already, so let me dig in and get me a piece of it. We'll cut it into 4 squares. That is a crispy topping. We'll cut it in square this way. This way and break it loose from the sides, and I can pick it up. Oh man, look at that. It's staying together. Ooh, you know what would have been good in this too? Most likely, bacon. Bacon's good on everything. See if I can't get this a little bit left, right, there we go. All right, now we're gonna come over here and bring the camera up, back this up. Let me get me a fork. And my hat. Can't eat with my hat on. Okay. Let me taste this. It looks awesome. Get me some. You know what I forgot to put in here that I was going to put in here? Was some broccoli sprouts. But maybe we'll do that on the next video. Let's see how this is. Absolutely. This, ladies and gentlemen, I give it a thumbs up. First time I ever tried this. But I had it in my mind for a few days now. Went ahead and decided to go it. That's a good casserole. And that cheese is good and thick, and that top crust is crunchy. That's a piece of chicken. Mix it all in. Even with no teeth, I can feel that crunch. That's a good casserole, folks. Homemade all the way through. No store-bought cooked stuff already. That's good casserole. Alright, y'all make sure y'all tell somebody you love them. And we'll see y'all on the next video. I'm gonna keep eating. That crunch though, goodness. That cheese and crackers. I did go and put some extra cheese on the top. I put cheese down on the top of it. Then put the cracker crumbs down. And while y'all wasn't looking, I put some more cheese on top to get cheese underneath the crackers and on top. That's a good casserole. Yes, sir. Alright. That's good. So make sure you tell somebody you love them. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Man,